Hey folks, thanks for tuning in to another episode of your review channel. Do appreciate that very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. This video is about a Costco haul. I got the Dynatrap 3. We're going to open it up. We're going to take a look at it. We're doing the unboxing right now, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so picked up the Dynatrap 3. Here we go right here. We got this at Costco. And I want to do an unboxing for you today. And just to take a look at it and see what we have in the box. Just picked this up for $59. It was on sale with a $10 coupon. If you didn't see that video, I'll leave a link on top so you can see the actual store where I got it, and you can just see where the price and so forth. So this is the Dynatrap 3. This is the half-acre version. This is a half-acre. It does come, I guess, with 2 extra bulbs. I'm not sure. Does a half-acre, and like I said, $59. I mean, that's not too bad. It's a good deal. The prices come down quite a bit on this item. And we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to see what's in the box, and we're going to set it up and take a look at it. And also, subscribe to the channel. We're also going to do a long test review on this. We're going to leave the camera running. We're going to see how the insects get trapped. We're going to see how effective it works, and if it works, and what it does. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll see the future notices when I do the updates on the video. So this is just the unboxing part, and let's take a look at what we have. Okay guys, so we have the Dynatrap 3 here, and it's the insect trap, and we're actually going to open it up and see what we have inside the box. Take a look here. We're doing an unboxing. Just got this the other day at Costco, and let's see what comes in the box. Alright. Okay, so we do have the bulbs right on top here. These are the special bulbs you need to, I guess, attract the insect, right? So these are the bulbs here. And they're not the new LED technology. There is another new one that's out with the LED technology. They last longer and they use a little bit less energy, but this still has 2 bulbs that come with it. So that's not bad. So you get 2 bulbs. So let me pause it right here. So each bulb roughly lasts around 3,000 hours, which is approximately 4 months straight running constantly. That's the way it is. That's how these bulbs work. There you go. That's the first thing in the box. Open that up. Yeah, let's take a look at this here. Packaging is excellent, just so you know. High quality packaging. Cardboard is very stiff. This is not cheaply done. This is all high quality, and this is all also recyclable, so don't forget to do that as well. Very important to do some recycling. Very, very important. So that's so far so good. I do like what I'm seeing. Here's the actual item itself, and it's bagged nicely, so you can see here. I do like that. And let's see, before we get into that, let's see what we have here. So we have a chain to hang it on. Let's take a look here. We have the owner's manual. Take one piece of it. So it comes with a chain to hang it, a little screwdriver, I guess, to take it apart, and a little brush. Maybe that's to sweep out the dead bugs. We'll find out. So that's it. So we get a chain, a screwdriver, and a little brush. I guess to sweep out the bugs. Okay, so that's in there. We have an information warranty card, which again, nobody fills out, but it's nice to have. And over there, let's see, owner's manual. Okay, we'll have to go over that and see what it's about, but it's probably fairly simple. Plug it in, you know, shows you how to take out the bulb and change the bulb and things like that. So that's pretty simple. Let's take a look at that. Okay, and we have the, what is this here? Information, read carefully, plug in, turn on, leave on for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Do not near any competitive light source. That's a problem because I have a big spotlight outside, but we're going to test it anyway and see how that works. And also another manual and probably different language. Yep. And then we have that. Okay, so that was in the box. So we got that, right? So let's get that out of the way. And let's take a look at the item itself. So I kind of like it. Kind of cool looking. So there's all different colors they have. They have gray, I saw, black, all kinds of different colors available. So this one here is like a, I'm not sure what color this is. It's like a brownish, I don't know. So I think it's plastic, I'm not sure. Yeah, plastic, metal. Yeah, it feels yeah, definitely plastic. Okay, So you got the trap right here. It's got a bulb inside, so you do get 2 extra bulbs. So that is confirmed. You do get 2 extra bulbs, which is confirmed, which is important. And I guess to open the screwdriver is basically, so here's a screw here to open this up, and that's how you get out, I believe, the basket. Oh, no, the basket just comes off. Sorry, my bad. So the bulb is probably to change the bulb. Actually, that's what it did say. So you unscrew this to change the bulb. That's easy. This is the basket. Okay, this is where the bugs are. This is where you empty out the bugs. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Actually, it's not bad. And it's got a fairly good quality extension. Well, that's good too. It's got the plug protector. So all in all, my first impressions, excellent build. We know it works, I think, from what I've seen online, but I wanted to test it myself and do a thorough test and just see what it does, how it works. We'll set it up outside. We'll run it, we'll put a camera on here, we'll let it run with the camera, we'll take some footage, we'll see how the bugs get sucked in, who gets sucked in, what gets sucked in, I don't know. We'll find out. So, I do like it. It's not too heavy. It comes with a fairly long cord too, so definitely have to run an extension, which is fine. So make sure you do have a waterproof, outdoor approved extension if you're gonna plug this outside, so make sure you have that. Fairly heavy, not too bad, but I do like the extra 2 bulbs. Like I said, there is a newer version that is out that has an LED technology. It took them a long time to generate the LED technology, from what I understand. But I know it uses less power and it lasts a lot longer. But these bulbs do not last that long, but we'll get into that later. So this is it. So this is the unboxing. Dynatrap. I like it. All right, we'll see how it works. And nothing else in the box, just the box itself. And bought it at Costco. And as you all know, when you buy something at Costco, if you're not happy for any reason at any time, you can return it. Except for electronics and computers and TVs, things like that. But anything else, if you're not happy, 5 years later, doesn't matter. You bring it back if you're not happy. That's what Costco stands by it, and that's why we all shop at Costco. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing. Let's take a look. Don't forget to subscribe below for the actual, we'll do an actual live testing of this actual product. We'll see how it works, we'll see what it does. And that'll be it. So if you found this unboxing insightful or entertaining, please subscribe to my channel. It does help me out quite a bit. I do appreciate that. And don't forget to do that, because that way you'll get notifications when I do the next video. And that's it for me. Until the next one, thanks for tuning in and make it a great day.